My dear child, I see you. I see the pain in your heart, the sorrow in your eyes, and the weight of disappointment pressing down on your soul. I know that right now you feel lost, confused, and alone. The love you cherished has faded, and the dreams you once held so tightly have been shattered. You may be asking, why, Lord? Why did this happen to me? My beloved, I want you to listen carefully, for I am speaking directly to your heart today. You were never meant to carry this pain alone. I, the Lord your God, am with you in this very moment. Even as your heart aches, I am surrounding you with my love, my peace, and my healing. I know what it feels like to be rejected. I know the pain of betrayal. I walked this earth and experienced heartbreak just as you have. I was abandoned by those I loved, denied by those closest to me, and misunderstood by those I came to save. So, my child, I do not just see your pain, I understand it. But hear this truth, this heartbreak is not your end. It is not the final chapter of your story. Right now, your heart feels fragile, like shattered glass. You wonder if you will ever be whole again. But I am the great healer, the one who binds up the brokenhearted and restores what has been lost. Let me into your pain, my child. Do not hide your tears from me. Do not pretend to be strong when your soul is weary. I never asked you to carry this burden alone. Bring your pain to me. Pour out your heart, and I will give you rest. When others walk away, I remain. When love fails, my love endures forever. You are not unloved, you are not forgotten, and you are not alone. Even in your loneliest moments, I am near, whispering my love to your heart, holding you close to my side. I know you dreamed of a future with this person. I know you invested your heart, your time, and your love. But not everyone who enters your life is meant to stay. Some people are placed in your life for a season, to teach you, to shape you, and to prepare you for what I have planned. When I remove someone from your life, it is never to harm you. It is always for your good. You may not see it now, but trust me, one day you will look back and understand. You will see how I was protecting you, how I was leading you towards something far greater than what you were holding on to. I never take without giving. I never close one door without opening another. My plans for you are filled with hope, filled with love, filled with goodness. I know you feel weary of waiting. You long for love that is true, love that is lasting, love that will never leave. I place that desire in your heart, and I will fulfill it in my perfect time. Do not rush ahead of me. Do not settle for less than what I have for you. When I bring love into your life, it will be a love that mirrors my love for you, selfless, kind, patient, and enduring. The love I have planned for you will not leave you in tears, it will lift you up in joy. Until that time comes, focus on me. Let me be the love you seek. Let me be the one who fills the empty places in your heart. When you seek me first, everything else will fall into place. I know the temptation to shut yourself off from love, to build walls around your heart so that no one can hurt you again. But, my child, do not let this pain make you bitter. Do not let it steal your hope. Love is still beautiful. Love is still worth believing in. But before you can fully receive the love I have for you, your heart must heal. And that healing begins with forgiveness. Forgive those who have hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Holding on to resentment will only keep you chained to your pain. But when you forgive, you release the burden, and I can pour my healing into your heart. I see how this heartbreak has made you question your worth. You wonder if you were not good enough, not lovable enough, not worthy enough. But, my child, those are lies from the enemy. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. You are precious in my sight. Your worth is not determined by who stays or who leaves. Your value is not measured by someone else's love. You are worthy because I created you. You are loved because I have called you my own. Never let heartbreak define you. Never let rejection make you doubt your worth. You are mine, and you are enough. This pain is temporary, but my promises are eternal. Right now, you cannot see what I am preparing for you. But trust me, my child, something greater is coming. A love that will honor me. A relationship built on faith. A future filled with joy, not sorrow. What you lost will not compare to what I am about to bring into your life. But first, you must let go. Let go of the pain, the disappointment, the fear. Let go of what is no longer meant for you so that I can place something far greater in your hands. I am with you, always. Tonight, as you lay your head down, I want you to remember this: I am with you. When the loneliness creeps in, call my name, and I will bring you peace. When memories of the past try to break you, lean on me, and I will strengthen you. When you feel unloved, remember that I love you with an everlasting love. This is not the end of your story. This is not where your joy ends. This is only a chapter, and I am the author of your life. Your best days are still ahead. I love you, my child. Hold on to my promises. Hold on to my love. And watch as I turn your heartbreak into something beautiful. Your Father, Jesus,